What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of getting or copying an image ID and Roblox. Let's start. First, open your browser and navigate to roblox.com. Log into your Roblox account if you haven't already. After that, go to the top menu and select Create to access the Creator Hub. Next, in the Creator Hub, select Store from the top menu. After that, in the store, select Images. Here, you can search for and select the image or decal you want the ID. Once you're on the image or decal page, look at the URL in your browser address bar. You'll see numbers after assets and before the name of the decal. Copy just the numbers, excluding the forward slashes. This is the image ID for selected image or decal. You can now use this image ID to add the image or decal to your games and Roblox Studio. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.